Hello, so here is my video. I have this Enhancements 2 SQL file, so let's just go through each one. This first query is to create that user. So I'm going to make sure I'm in clients, and I will run it. Go, one row inserted. Since I've already done it, it's probably just going to create a second one. Yep, okay. Next one. This one is to change the client level. Go back to SQL, paste, and we'll hit go. One row affected. Now they're both at client level 3. Okay. This next one is to replace the description, and that's going to be in the inventory. And I've already done it, but we'll see what happens when I run that. Go. 0 rows affected, but if we look in here at the GM Hummer, you'll see it says spacious interiors now instead of small. So then we'll go to this one. And that was just a query. So we'll go here, select all, paste. This should give us 4. So hit go. And it gave us 3 because I had already deleted the in the next thing I already deleted it. So we'll this one here. Jeep Wrangler. See, I won't be able to show this one as well, but it probably will just give me a 0 rows affected type thing. However, I did do that and it deleted it. So, and then the last one, which I've already done, but I'll just have fun with it. SQL, I'll paste and go. 14 rows. Oh, now that's going to, I'll have to clean that up later, but now it's going to be a double PHP motors, because I've already done it. But that shows that it does work, and it does that for both the thumbnail and the image. So after I have shown all of that, now I'm going to show that here that I have this connections file, and I'll show you what happens when it does work, which is absolutely nothing. It should just be blank. And then if I mess with it a little bit, save it out, brings up the server error. Now I'm a little behind on enhancement 1 from last week, the actually creating the template and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to be doing that, but this is at least for enhancement 2, just to show you that I can, and it pings the view folder 500.php. So obviously it's going to look better later, but that's how it looks right now. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything. So again, I'll be cleaning it up for enhancement 1 so that it actually looks like a site like we're shown. But as for enhancement 2, this is everything.